guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books, and today we are going to be talking about when our corporate taxes due. So generally, all corporations, the income taxes are due 2 months after the end of the tax year. So meaning if your year end is on December 31st, the corporate tax payment, literally the day that you need to make the payment, is 2 months after the end of your tax year. So for this example, if it's December 31st, then it's due by February 28th. However, if you meet these conditions below, numbers 1 to 4, it is due 3 months after the end of the tax year. So again, if your year end is December 31st, then it's going to be due 3 months after, which is March 31st. Now, this is not to be confused from when you actually have to file your corporate tax return. Okay, so these are two different due dates. Number 1 is when you have to pay the balance owing, which is either 2 months or 3 months, depending on what type of corporation that you have. Okay, and then the other due date is when to actually file the corporate tax return, which is 6 months after the end of your tax year. So again, for this example, if your tax year ends on December 31st, then it's going to be due on June 30th. Now, if your year end is Feb 28th, then it's going to be due July 31st, and so on and so forth, right? So corporations can pick their fiscal year end, unlike sole proprietorships, which have to follow the calendar year. So depending on your year end for your corp, then obviously these due dates will vary. Okay, if you are a corporation, this is not to be confused with having a sole proprietorship, which has to follow the calendar year. So if you guys have any questions, please comment them down below. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.